Hello, everybody. We're back, and this is Seba Maths Lab for my third video. And today we're learning about adding and subtracting fractions with alike denominators. We're not only learning that, we're also learning about how to convert uncommon fractions to mixed numbers, and we're also just trying to learn how to do it. How to add fractions with alike denominators. Adding fractions with alike denominators are actually quite simple. You only need to follow 3 steps. Step 1, check the denominator. Well, this is an important step. And then step 2, add the numerators. This is also a really important step. Step number 3, keep denominators. Really important. Now, step number 1, check the denominators. Well, we check the denominators. It's 4 and 4 for 2 over 4 plus 2 over 4. Well, if both denominators are 4, what do? Since they're the same, we keep it. If there's a same denominator, then we keep it. But if it's not, we'll dive deeper into that in the later videos. And we're also starting a brand new series called Mathematics Fraction Arithmetic. Okay, now that's a good one. You should probably watch it. Now, next one. Step 2, add numerators. Well, 2 over 4 plus 3 over 4. I wonder what the numerator is. The numerator is 2 over 4, 3 over 4. It's the top numbers. Like I said in my last video, 2 plus 2 over 4, the top number is the numerator. And same thing for 3 over 4. Well, what's 2 plus 3? Well, that's a hard one. Gosh diggity darn. It's 5 over 4. Wow. Now, when I say keep the numerator like 4, 5, and 4, well, this step is actually like not that essential, not that useful, right? But like for different ones, like we do 3 over 4. Actually, no, let's switch it from 3 over 4. 2 over 4 plus 1 over 4. Well, what does that become? Well, let me write 1 over 4 real quick. 1 over 4. Well, 1 over 4 plus 2 over 4. So what do? We do 4 over 4. No, we do 4. Since they're the same, they keep it. But 1 plus 2, what does that equal? 3. Well, this is a common fraction. But this is uncommon because why is the numerator bigger than the denominator? But the numerator is less than the denominator. Well, this is called an uncommon fraction, while this is not. Now, subtracting fractions with the like denominators. This is the same thing. You just basically go 2 over 4 minus 1 over 4. What do we do first? We check the denominators. This is the same, so we keep it. And then 2 minus 1, that equals 1. This is the answer to this question. Now we're going to figure out how to convert an uncommon fraction to a mixed number. Like, let's say 4 over 3. 4 over 3 basically means 2 pizzas, right? But there's only one problem. Guess what the problem is? One of them is full, then the other one, only one slice has been eaten. Well, what do we consider this? Well, this becomes one whole, and then one slice out of 3. Remember the first video? That becomes 1 over 3. So if we're doing this, 4 over 3 is also equivalent to 1 over 3. Like the last question, 5 over 4. We'll make a good guess. Oh yeah, 2 pizzas. Well, the reason I'm saying 2 pizzas is because it's only 1 extra. If it was 4 extra, then we'll do another pizza. Or I mean 5 extra, probably 5 extra. Now, this is 4, this is 4. We colored this in fully because this becomes one whole. All 4 has been colored. Then only 1 has been colored over here. So that gives us 1, 1, 4. Now, how do we convert this back to the normal fraction, the uncommon one? Well, we do 4 times 1 plus 1. What does that equal? 5. And then we keep the denominator. All right, guys? Answer these questions under 15 seconds if you want, but I'll be really impressed if you do that, because I know some people can't do that. I'll give you guys to pause the video. Okay, I think that's enough time. Now, 2 over 3 minus 1 over 3. First, we do check the denominators. 3 and 3. So we keep the 3, and we do 2 minus 1. Well, that equals to 1. Now, 5 over 7 minus 4 over 7. Plus 4 over 7. Sorry, guys, I'm on something today. 5 plus 4. What does that equal? 9. And then now let's check the denominator. 7, 7. The same thing. So that becomes 9 over 7. Well, how do we convert this back to a mixed fraction? So, 7 and 9. 9 fills 7 one whole time. Right, guys? Because 9 is just bigger than 7. So it fills it once. But then there's going to be 2 remaining. Right? So then 2 over 7. Because we always keep the denominator. Alright, guys? Now, summary. Today we learn about adding fractions and subtracting fractions with the like denominators. We also learned how to convert fractions. Man United are back. If you guys could spot this and which slide this was on, I'll be impressed. And could you leave a subscribe, like, and a comment down below? And could you also comment about the Man United are back?